Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best mold remover is probably one of the most essential tools for homeowners and renters alike, especially those living in humid climates or older properties where mold growth can be a persistent and unwelcome guest. Dealing with mold isn't just about aesthetics, it's crucial for maintaining a healthy living environment, as airborne mold spores can trigger allergies, asthma, and other respiratory issues. This is why having an effective and reliable mold remover on hand is paramount, ensuring you can tackle the problem swiftly and prevent it from spreading further into your home structure and compromising your family's well-being. Number 5. Tovolo Craft Ice Sphere Molds. Elevate your drinking experience with these innovative molds. They create large spheres that melt slower than regular ice, keeping your favorite spirits perfectly chilled. Enjoy your whiskey or cocktails at the ideal temperature for longer. These molds create spherical ice that significantly reduces dilution compared to standard cubes. Maximize your freezer space with our smart, stackable design. Secure lids ensure they fit perfectly, making them ideal for any kitchen, especially smaller ones. Our precision-engineered silicone lids create an airtight seal. This prevents messy leaks in your freezer, guaranteeing perfect ice spheres every time. Filling is a breeze thanks to the wide opening. The compact, stackable design keeps things tidy, and the leak-proof lids ensure a mess-free experience. Just fill to the water line for consistent size, freeze, and then run under warm water for easy release. You'll get perfectly formed spheres ready to serve. Crafted from durable, BPA-free silicone, these molds are built for daily use. Enjoy the leak-proof design and convenient water fill line for reliable results. What we like? These large sphere ice molds create impressive, slow-melting ice perfect for keeping your favorite spirits chilled without rapid dilution. Their smart, stackable design with secure lids makes them ideal for saving precious freezer space. If you're a whiskey or cocktail enthusiast who enjoys a perfectly chilled drink in an organized freezer, you should consider these. What people say. The mold is made of high-quality silicone, which is flexible and durable. The mold has a unique design that allows for easy release of the finished product. The mold is easy to clean and maintain, making it a great choice for frequent use. Number 4. Active Mold Stain Remover Gel Cleaner. Introducing Active Mold Stain Remover Gel Cleaner, your heavy-duty solution for stubborn stains. It's specifically designed for challenging areas like washing machine seals, grout, and shower caulk. This powerful gel cleaner penetrates deep to eliminate mold and mildew. Its advanced formula works effectively on various surfaces, ensuring a thorough clean. Perfect for front-loader washing machine seals, this cleaner restores freshness and hygiene. Keep your appliance in top condition with this specialized cleaning solution. Beyond the laundry room, it's also effective for bathrooms, grout, and shower areas. Tackle tough stains and grime wherever they appear in your home. The gel formula clings to surfaces for maximum contact time, delivering powerful cleaning results. Achieve a spotless finish with minimal effort. Each bottle contains 7 fluid ounces of concentrated cleaning power. You get ample product to address multiple cleaning needs around your house. What we like? This heavy-duty gel cleaner is specifically formulated to tackle stubborn mold and mildew in challenging areas like washing machine seals, bathroom grout, and shower caulking. Its thick gel consistency clings to surfaces, allowing for deep cleaning and effective removal of unsightly mold. If you're dealing with persistent mold issues in damp environments or your front-loader washing machine, this is the solution you need. What people say. The mold is easy to use and clean. The finished product looks great and is very detailed. The mold is made of high-quality silicone and is very durable. Number 3. Mold Armor Do-It-Yourself Mold Test Kit. Discover mold quickly and easily with this at-home testing kit. Get visible results in as little as 48 hours, ensuring a healthier environment. Whether you suspect mold indoors or outdoors, this kit is designed for both. It effectively tests your indoor air quality for hidden mold. Utilize 3 distinct methods for comprehensive testing: indoor air quality, HVAC systems, and surface sampling for visible mold. This all-in-one kit provides everything you need for testing. It includes a petri dish, swab, and mold growth medium for your convenience. For a deeper understanding, you can opt for professional lab analysis. Mail in your results for expert identification by certified US-based microbiologists. What we like? This kit provides a simple and safe way to test your home for the presence of mold, with visible results appearing in as little as 48 hours. It offers multiple testing methods, including indoor air quality, HVAC systems, and surface sampling, giving you comprehensive insight. If you suspect mold in your home and want a convenient, do-it-yourself solution for initial detection, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. The mold is made of high-quality silicone, which is flexible and durable. The intricate details of the mold allow for precise casting, resulting in beautiful finished products. The mold is easy to clean and maintain, ensuring longevity and repeated use. Number 2. Tovolo Dino Freezer Pop Molds. Unleash your inner paleontologist with these fun dinosaur-shaped molds. Create delicious frozen treats in 4 unique designs. Each handle and sleeve combination creates a distinct dinosaur shape. Use your favorite ingredients for endless creative possibilities. As you enjoy your frozen treat, discover hidden fossils revealed in the sticks. It's a fun surprise with every lick. Made from flexible silicone, removing your frozen pops is a breeze. Enjoy your creations without any hassle. The base tray is designed for convenient freezer storage, fitting perfectly in the door. Stack them for compact organization and use the handles for easy mobility. What we like. Bring a prehistoric twist to your frozen treats with these fun dinosaur-shaped pop molds. The flexible silicone makes removing your popsicles a breeze, and the unique handles reveal hidden fossils as you eat. If you're looking for a fun way to make homemade frozen treats for kids, especially those who love dinosaurs, these molds are a fantastic option. What people say. The mold is made of high-quality silicone, which is flexible and durable. The mold features intricate details that allow for the creation of realistic-looking. It's easy to use and demold, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free crafting experience. Number 1. Let's Resin Silicone Mold Making Kit. Discover the Let's Resin Silicone Mold Making Kit, your perfect partner for creating custom molds. This kit offers a premium, non-toxic silicone rubber that's both flexible and clear. Mixing is a breeze with our 1-to-1 ratio system. Simply combine part A and part B, stir for 5 minutes, and you're ready to pour. It's designed for ease of use, even for beginners. Worried about bubbles? Our silicone self-degasses within 2 hours, ensuring a smooth, flawless finish without the need for special equipment. Achieve professional results effortlessly. Get your projects done faster with our 4-hour fast cure time. The finished molds are super elastic and durable, capturing intricate details beautifully and releasing with ease. Unleash your creativity. It's perfect for making your own resin, wax, candle, and soap molds. Bring your artistic visions to life with this versatile molding solution. New to mold making? This kit is designed with you in mind. Enjoy a fun and creative experience with no special skills or tools required. What we like. This translucent liquid silicone rubber is perfect for creating detailed molds for various craft projects, offering a fast 4-hour cure time and excellent elasticity. Its non-toxic, low-odor formula and easy 1-to-1 mixing ratio make it ideal for beginners, with bubbles automatically disappearing. If you're interested in DIY mold making for resin casting, candles, or soap and want a reliable, user-friendly material that captures intricate details, this kit is a great starting point. What people say. The mold is made of high-quality silicone, which is flexible and durable. The intricate details of the mold allow for precise and beautiful finished products. This mold is easy to use and clean, making the crafting process enjoyable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.